Right, ladies and gents, this is a Paton 250 Pro. The only real thing I'm interested in on this is the MIG side of it. But I will say it does do MIG, Lift TIG and stick. And each process has pulse ability as well. Sure, that's come out all the way. Right, and we're good to go there. So just make sure it's in the guide. Right, job's a good one. Right, so I'm not feeling the love for this wire. I might end up having to change it. So I'm just going to stick a bit of Scotchbrite on there and one of the wife's pegs. As you can see, there's hardly any restriction on that whatsoever, so it should be alright. Close that up. Job done. Right, wire sticking out, posh Binzel torch. We're ready to bang that on. The torch itself feels quality. Really nice thick leads all round. So we'll give it a go, eh? Right, so this bit's where I might struggle, so we'll power this thing up. Button on the back there somewhere. Now I don't know if this is fan on demand or not. It's not overly loud, but I mean once you get working in your welding, you won't even hear that. Right, so wire install. Right, so we'll hit that button on the far side. So I've just noticed the sound of the fan has gone quieter and quieter. I wonder if that's going to cut off. Anyway, let's get this wire through. Wire's through. It's a 1mm tip. Shroud back on, and we're ready to go. Right, so I've stuck a bit of a brace in there just to stop all this closing up, but it's not a critical thing anyway because I've got more than enough room for what I need this for. Right, so I've given that a bit of a clean down because this is going to be part of the next video in a few days. So 2 or 3 runs there, I'm quite happy with it. Right, so I've had a play with it. That's my my sad attempt at a bit of uphill welding. I don't do a lot of it, but as you can see, in more capable hands, that would be a right good little welder. I wish I had a bit of time to try it on thinner stuff like 1mm or 0.5. See how it fares that end, but you're going to see things like that as time goes on because I'm going to be using this hell of a lot on the channel. But regarding the machine, I need to have a play around in settings, get my head in the manual. Otherwise, straight out the box, I have no issues whatsoever. I'm going to get along with that just fine.